OnePlus 7 Pro is one of the most awaited phones of 2019. And guess what? It's launching today and we have the full leaked promotion video. One of the Reddit users actually put that out, and guess what? We have it here. So it's a 1 minute clip. Enjoy. So here we go. We have all the details of the OnePlus 7 Pro even before it's launched. You can see that it's got a curved display, edge-to-edge screen. There's a little bit of bezel on the top and the bottom, but it seems like it's symmetric, so that's a good thing. We have 3 cameras on the back. One is a 48 megapixel, another 16 megapixel, and a 5 megapixel. So that's what the combination is going to be. Speaker grill top of the phone looks really wide and nice. There is a rumor that it's going to have dual speakers as well, so one on the front speaker grill and the other one's going to be at the bottom of the phone. Now I do not see any holes for the microphone, so I'm not sure where that goes, but if the rumors are right, it's going to have a dual speaker stereo setup as well. What else have we got? We have that pop-up selfie camera. We've seen that in a lot of phones with Vivo and Oppo, so that's going to be there. I think the highlight of this phone is going to be that 6.67 inch beautiful curved AMOLED display. It's going to be a Quad HD, first time on a OnePlus device. You can see they call it the fluid AMOLED display. So I think that's going to be the highlight of the phone altogether. The pop-up selfie has become an extremely common thing now, so I don't think people really care so much about that. But yeah, we're looking forward to the launch that's happening in the next maybe 4 or 5 hours. And yeah, I hope you guys love it too, as we did. Thank you.